In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your website on Wix.com with ease. Let's walk through the steps together to help you personalize and update your site effectively. To begin this process, you'll want to head over to Wix.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard where you can see all your site options laid out. This dashboard is your control center, giving you the tools you need to manage and maintain your website efficiently. Next, look for the three dots next to your site name, often referred to as site actions. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu with various site management options. This is where you can make changes that help your site stay fresh and relevant. Among these options, you want to select Rename Site. This step is crucial if you're planning to rebrand or simply want to update your site's name to better reflect its content or purpose. When prompted, edit the text to your new preferred site name. Remember, this new name is how your visitors will identify your site, so make sure it is catchy, easy to remember, and accurately represents what your site offers. Once you've made the name change, you need to save your changes. Click on the Save button to ensure that your newly assigned name is updated. Saving these changes ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and that the changes reflect on your website. After saving your changes, it's important not to miss the next step. Click on Update to confirm that all the alterations you've made are applied site-wide. This step is key in ensuring your website looks exactly how you want it across all pages. As part of managing your site, you might find yourself diving into your blog. Head over to the blog section if you have updates or new posts you want to add to engage your audience further. Within the blog, make sure any changes you make, such as new posts or updates to existing content, are also saved. Finding the save button here is equally essential to secure your blog content updates. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently manage and update your Wix website, ensuring everything is running smoothly and looking great for your visitors. Whether you're renaming your site or adding fresh blog content, these actions are vital for keeping your online presence strong and relevant. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to having a website that stands out. Thanks for watching, and happy site managing.